It's 15 till 6 in the morning, and walking through the park here to get over to the dumpsters and throw my trash away before I walk the mile into town to resupply and maybe get a big breakfast sandwich. So the walk really wasn't that bad, and we got here a little early. It's about 5 after 6, so we'll wait here. They've got a bench, and besides that, I got all this beautiful scenery around me. All right, just got a big breakfast burrito and cold coffee, and resupplied for the next 2 days, and it's about 7 o'clock. So we'll see how far we can make it today. I looked at the map, and it's a little awkward, so I may have to do like a 17.5 today and then a 20 the next day. But having done a 20 yesterday, including going up over Killington, I'm feeling fairly confident. Just after 7 and back on the trail. Beautiful morning, nice and cool. Might get a little rain late afternoon, evening. We'll have to see. Okay, finally finished the climb up out of River Road after the boardwalk. It was 1,300 feet in 2 miles, and most of it was very vertical. So I wanted to do it all in one go, and now that it's done, I'm going to take a little rest, get some water, and then try to head down the mountain, because that was a shirt dripping, brow mopping hike, and you know, I just got my clothes clean last night, but I guess it lasted just a couple hours. There's poo. What? What? You really don't like me being here, do you? You're ferocious. Yeah, so parts of the trail are a bit overgrown. There's been some more climbing, and the humidity is higher than I thought. Clothes are just soaked. But it's a little over a mile to a shelter with water. I'm going to stop and take a break there. That breakfast burrito powered me for hours without having to stop for food. I just did one little water break at the top of the first climb. So, excellent morning so far. A ladder. Yeah, that would have been an interesting down to negotiate. You would have at least needed a rope. Okay. Oh, it's all up and down steep rocks in here. 11 o'clock, and we've covered the nearly 8 miles since Gifford Woods State Park where we camped last night. That includes the mile in and mile back, another 2 miles into the deli to resupply. The Winturi shelter in 9.1 is probably where we're going to pull up. Camping beyond that is dicey. So yeah, we'll see how we feel when we get there. Lots of beautiful clear water here. Just flushed a grouse. It was exciting there for a moment. There's lots of commotion. Got about 3.5 miles to the target shelter, and it's between 2:30 and 3. Chances of rain start at 4. It's a little sunshiny right now, which is good, but hopefully it'll hold off till I can get my tent set up. This section of the trail has been so incredibly up and down. It's quite challenging. So, should get 17 something today, miles, and then that should leave about that for tomorrow. We'll figure it out when we get there. Here's the Winturi shelter cutoff, and we gotta go 0.2 or 0.25 down this path. Hopefully it's not all downhill so it isn't climbing in the morning, but it is what it is. The sky is clouding up a little bit. It's gonna rain soon. I need to get a tent up and get some water. 4:30 and the Serenity Shuttle has landed at trail mile 1728 for a 17-mile day, and that leaves about 17 and a half tomorrow to get to the rendezvous point with Christy and get a couple of days off. So today was very, well, they call it the Vermont roller coaster. We were really up and down, steep up and down all day. I'm ready to quit. That's good mileage under these conditions. All of the viewpoints were overgrown with trees, so it was really hard to get a good view, but the woods were pretty. And we saw a lot of other hikers that we had seen before and were lucky to run into again, and seeing more southbounders now. So I'm going to cook up some dinner and get in the tent because the bugs are persistent. And rain's on its way. So thanks for hiking with me, and remember, we're doing the impossible that makes us mighty.